Hi Ray, this is a quick addition to the previous screencast that I did. So um, I had an idea, and so with the staging environment, I took the actual files, Crazy Egg heat map from the staging environment, and placed them onto back onto the live site, and it reminded me why I would try to delete the Crazy Egg plugin in the first place, because when I try to activate it, the link you followed has expired. So that's why I deleted it from the FTP, or I tried to delete it from here, wouldn't work, tried to delete it from FTP. Yeah, and I mean, coming back to it, I mean, with the terminal here, it's not showing up in this list through SSH. So anyway, that's just a quick addition. So that's how I'm going to leave it. Over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.